Today's Sunday, so it's hair day. I finally did my hair on a Sunday. So I'm ready to start my protective style, and I had an idea. Since I really like Olive Hair Paint Wax hair color, even though the white one that I did, it didn't show up that much, but I really love it because it's natural properties, and also when I rinse out my hair and detangle, it's like hardly any hair come out. It's like its own hair product for me. So I am going to use hair paint wax along with my protective style. Now, in my previous videos, I always talk about the red hair paint wax color, that it bleeds a lot. And the only time that I will wear it is if I'm going to wear my hair in an updo, which I'm going to do today. So I do like this color a lot. It really does pop on my hair. It does bleed, but as long as my hair is up and it's not on my shoulders or it won't get on my clothes and it's not in my face, then I think I'll be okay. So I'm going to have my hair paint wax, of course, my trusty bottle of hairpins, and I'm going to use these clips. I talked about it very briefly in a different video, but that's smudged off. There you go. It's from TIGI. I can put the link in the description box so you can get them. These are really good clamps. I mean, they have a grip right here, and then you can just easily open and close. And don't let this part intimidate you. It doesn't hurt at all. So it gives it a really good grip, and it's bendy. It's very good. I like it. And my pick 2 comb for separating. Now I've already washed and deep conditioned my hair and moisturized, so I am ready to get started. So I was thinking earlier today, how am I going to do my hair today? And sometimes I go to Pinterest to get inspiration. Usually when I go to Pinterest and I get inspiration, I don't exactly copy the person's hairstyle I see. I manipulate it and make changes and make it my own. But while I was looking, I saw a hairstyle, twist up, but then I was inspired to think of one of my older hairstyles. I'm like, oh, I can do that. I'm going to start my part from the middle and work from the side, work my way down. And that's my son at the door. So I'm going to make my twist pretty big, so I don't want to take too long. So I'm going to do like the first couple of twists, and then I'll come back to you. So I'm going to get a piece of this hair. I'm going to get my hair paint wax. I'm just going to put some at the ends. Oh, it smells so good. I don't want to put any on my roots. I want to give it a little bit of ombre color, but with me touching this part, it's going to be kind of hard. But you know what I'm going to do? I'm just going to run my fingers through the other ends so I can get some of the hair paint off. Look at that. I mean, already that color is popping. My goodness, that's amazing. And mind you, this video is not sponsored by Hair Paint Wax. Any of my Hair Paint Wax videos is not sponsored. I just really like their product. I have like 6 or 7 of their colors, so I have they have 10 colors, so I have almost all their colors. Oh, I don't like that twist. That's better. You see the puppy? Oh, say hi to the puppy. There we go. That's better. So I'm trying to keep, this is going to be a little bit tricky, trying to keep my roots regular color, like my dark color. But you know what, I'm just going to go with it. If my roots turn red too, then so be it. twist and twist and twist. Now I'm not going to run my fingers through. You can rub your fingers through here to get off all the excess hair products, but I always like to keep it on my hair to give it extra moisture. And then there's the first one. So yeah, so I'm going to split this in two. That. Put this away. Cut this shirt because this is going to bleed on my shirt. I'm going to braid it, twist it to the scalp like this. I'm just going to keep my hair up so I don't want it to get on my shirt. I'm not sure if it'll come off. And then I'm going to twist it. So next what I'm going to do, I'm going to twist this one to the scalp as well. And this big piece here, I'm going to get, I'm going to part this again like a triangle and go down that way. And I'm going to twist those going up. And I'm just going to do regular twists up here. So it's just like parting the ways. But I'll show you how I did that. So I'm going to twist this up and then I'll be back to you. Okay, so I am finished braiding this side. If you can see, I did just two twists at the bottom, and I went up a little bit, and then I just did a braid, just parted and just braided going up. So I'm going to put this to the side. That's my son talking. And then I'm going to start on the other side in the back. So I'm going to work on this side in the back, and then I'll come back to you when I start on the front. Okay, I'm back. So I did the other side of my head too. So now I'm going to pull it up. My hands are mega red right now. This red color is going to stay on my hands for until like 2 washes. It will be completely gone. 2 or 3 washes, like washing your hands. Okay, so I'm going to leave the front up here by itself. So I'm not doing anything with that yet. I'm trying my best to keep my hair off my shirt. Okay, so I did split this in 2. Okay. Put that in garbage. So I did split it in 2. So I'm going to take one side and I'm going to braid my twist going up. So I'm going to do like a loose braid. And just braid it going up. I'm not going to braid all the way to the ends because I want to have loose hair up here for my crown that I'm going to make. And then I'm going to hold that in place with a hairpin. And do the other side. So far, I missed one, but that's fine. So I'm gonna leave this up here, just like that. And you know what? I was gonna have like 2 twists coming down the side, but I changed my mind. I don't want any hair on my face. So I'm gonna do 2 twists, going diagonal. I'm going to twist this to the back and then twist that to the back. Okay, so I'm done twisting. So as you can see, I just got the two twists that I split diagonal, and I just twisted it to the back. But man, this is so cute. I would just leave it like this. But you know, that really good. I'm not doing it, but it's so pretty. Okay, so let's see if I can put a crown in here. And I'm going to start on the side. Oh, I didn't show you my twist up in the back. There we go. So I'm going to hold it to the side. I'm just going to twist it over. And then just twist it. Now I want to twist going forward. And then I'm going to keep grabbing here and just twist it around it. Give myself a nice little cute crown. Keep twisting. So I'm grabbing the hair and I'm just twisting it under. This is so exciting. I've never done my hair like this before. Well, like with the hair paint wax in it. And then twist and twist and twist. Alright, so I have this all twisted up and I'm just going to bring this up into the back like this with a hairpin. And I'm just going to twist it around here and just push it in there, just like that. And this, I'm going to just bring that right underneath, like that, and also pin that in place as well. Alright, and I think that will do it. Super, super cute. So as I said, don't worry about the edges. I'm going to clean that up with some tissue and wipe it all off. But while my hair is still wet, this is how it looks now. And in the back. And then I will see you in the morning when it completely dries. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the morning. Bye. Good morning. So my hair is completely dry. And I have to say, I am loving the color. A few drawbacks. So my hands are finally clean of the red color. It took about 3 hand washes to get the color off, and also I worked out this morning, so when I sweat there was just a little bit of the color coming off. As far as sleeping, when I put on my satin scarf and I slept on my pillow, I made sure I tied it very tight so it doesn't slip off, and I didn't have any color on my pillow. So the drawbacks is that yes, it still bleeds. I've said that a million times, but I just love this color. If you're careful with what you're doing, making sure that you're not touching your clothes or you're not laying your head back on the wall, then you can try this color too as a protective style. It's good for my hair. It treats my hair very nicely. It moisturizes it, and it also doesn't make it dry. So when I take this down and wash and detangle it, I never have a lot of shedding or a lot of hair in the comb, which is perfect. So here's my final results. As you can see, and here's the back. So you can see I did like the 2 braids here and then the 2 braids here going up. But yes, so this is my protective style for the week using the hair paint wax with the red color. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, I see you later. Bye!